Hi guys, join me as I dive into a full review of Virgin Voyage cabins to see if they really live up to the hype. Welcome back to the Cruising Nurse. I'm Ashley Neal. I'm a travel agent and a registered nurse. Today we're going to talk about Virgin Voyage cabins. So what sets Virgin Voyage cabins apart? They offer a wide range of cabin types, from cozy interior rooms to spacious suites with balconies. It's not just about the size, it's about the design and the decor too. Think sleek, modern features and stylish touches that make you feel like you're sailing in style. The interior rooms are actually pretty cool, with virtual windows that let in natural light and offer stunning ocean views. The sea view cabins have a large porthole that lets in a lot of natural light. The cabins are just as spacious as the interior, and they're very comfortable. One of the biggest concerns travelers have about cruise cabins is space. Can you really live comfortably in a room the size of a hotel room for 7 days or longer? But what really caught my eye was their attention to detail in the cabin design. From the clever storage solutions to the comfortable beds, it's clear that Virgin has put thought into what travelers really want. The sea terrace cabins are a step up, with balconies that are perfect for sipping coffee or cocktails while watching the waves. One cabin that really stood out to me was the Sea Terrace Suite. Not only did it have a massive balcony with an outdoor tub, but the interior was stylish and comfortable too. I loved the separate living area, which made it feel like a mini apartment rather than just a bedroom. The suites offer spacious, luxurious, and complete with separate living areas. They're really a sight to be seen. In short, Virgin Voyage cabins are a game changer. They're stylish, comfortable, and packed with amenities that make you feel like you're sailing in style. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Leave in the comments below if you've traveled on Virgin before and what cabin type you were in, and if you enjoyed it. Any tips or tricks, let me know.